Hey friends, today let's talk about something so important, knowing which way to go when life feels uncertain. We often wait for signs, advice, perfect clarity before making a move, but God gives us a compass of conviction, an inner sense of what aligns with His purpose for us. Meet Michael. He was at a major crossroads in life, a career decision, relationship choices, and multiple opportunities pulling him in different directions. Michael felt confused and paralyzed. Then he paused and prayed. He asked God to guide him, not necessarily by showing him the full map, but by giving him conviction about the next steps. He felt a quiet, clear sense of direction, almost like an inner compass nudging him. He took that step. Even though he didn't see the whole path, it led him exactly where God wanted him to be. Sometimes clarity doesn't come all at once. God often gives us enough conviction for the next step, not the entire journey. We learn to trust Him step by step. I've had seasons where I felt completely uncertain about my next moves. I remember standing at crossroads when it came to my career and life, unsure which direction was best. It was tempting to wait for a perfect sign or rely solely on someone else's opinion, but God reminded me, I've placed a compass in your heart. Trust me and take the next step. So I did. I made bold choices in alignment that I sensed God prompting me to do. Even when I didn't see the full picture, I discovered something amazing. Faithful steps in alignment with God never fails. It was a process, sometimes confusing, sometimes scary, but each step built confidence and strengthened my spiritual intuition. Scripture reminds us, Proverbs 3 5 through 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight. Psalm 32 and 8. I will instruct you and teach you in the way that you should go. I will counsel you with my loving eye on you. God provides guidance. It's up to us to trust and follow His compass He gives us. Picture a compass in your hand. The needle points steadily to the true north, even if the terrain around you is confusing or rough. You don't need a map, just a trustworthy direction to take the next step. Step by step, the path becomes clearer as you follow the compass of conviction. How to follow God's inner guidance. Pray intentionally. Ask God for clarity on your next steps. Listen to your conviction. Pay attention to that quiet, consistent sense of direction. Take small steps. Trust step by step movement instead of waiting for the full picture. Seek wise counsel. God usually confirms His guidance to trusted mentors. Trust the process. Faithful obedience brings clarity and growth. Reflect on these. What decisions am I currently facing? What does my inner conviction say about my next step? How can I trust God when I can't see the whole path? Friends, God has given each of us a compass of conviction. You don't need every answer today. Take the faithful step that God is pointing you to. Trust Him and watch the path unfold. Step boldly, step intentionally, and let your life be guided by Him. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you back in the reset room.